Welcome to another episode of One Trip at a Time. Ngayon, tayo ay nasa Entertainment City para sa staycation dito sa Nua, Manila. Ang Nua Manila ang flagship luxury property ng City of Dreams, Manila. As of 2024, it is only one of the 4 hotels in the Philippines to receive the coveted Forbes 5-star rating. Sa video na to, lilibutin natin ang Nua Manila at aalamin natin if deserve ba nito ang pinakamataas na parangal sa hospitality industry. This is the hotel's grand lobby. Its design is described as a perfect blend of strength and softness. The centerpiece is a resplendent arrangement of flowers. Around it are striking bronze columns, gold wall accents, graphic ceiling coffers, geometric marble flooring, and beautiful custom-designed chandeliers. The curated design of the lobby will keep you in awe while waiting for check-in. Ang standard check-in time ng hotel ay 3 p.m. at ang check-out time naman ay 12 noon. Kakatapos lang nating mag-check-in at ngayon ay patungo na tayo sa Tower Suites. Tara, check natin ang room. We booked the Nua Premier Suite. This suite is 119 square meters in size. You will be welcomed by this spacious living room that seamlessly carry guests across a well-orchestrated flow, from the coffee and snack bar to the dining nook and to the seating and entertainment area. Moreover, the combination of unique furniture pieces, textures, and various pops of color come together to create an inviting and stylish space. The panoramic windows provide natural lighting and sweeping views of the pool and the other hotels within City of Dreams. The suite's bedroom transcends the ordinary and ascends to luxury. The centerpiece is a king bed framed with an out-of-the-box architectural detail kung saan ang headboard ay nag-extend pataas na parang bed canopy. Then, creating a visual point of difference and extra seating ay ang mga wing-back lounge chairs sa may bintana. Adding functionality is a dedicated work desk across the bed. Katabi naman ng workspace ay ang dressing area. Sa isang side ay vanity corner na may dressing table, ottoman at trifold mirror. These allow you to achieve the perfect view from every angle. Adding a touch of opulence and convenient dressing experience is a personal walk-in closet. With focus on wellness and relaxation, the stunning bathroom features spa-inspired concepts such as a deep soaker tub fitted with an LCD TV, a dual shower head for couples, and a separate toilet. It's perfect for an indulgent and soothing time. Para sa stay na to, we booked the Premier Suite for 49,100 pesos net per night. Kasama dito ay overnight stay for 2, complimentary minibar items, at Wi-Fi access. Pwedeng mag-abang ng mga flash at seasonal promo to get 20% discount sa www.cityofdreamsmanila.com. From the suite, explore naman natin ang iba pang facilities ng hotel. Andito tayo sa level 1 kung saan located ang leisure at recreation facilities. By the way, if you're new in the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell icon to receive updates every time we have a new video. This way, you will be able to support us so we can consistently offer similar contents in the future. Sa left side ay ang Nua Spa, isa sa 2 spa sa bansa na nakakuha ng Forbes 5-star rating. Meron itong heated vitality pool, aromatic steam room, sauna, relaxation pool, at 6 na private treatment rooms. Katabi naman ng spa ang fitness center, equipped ng latest life fitness equipment at machines. Bukas ang gym 24/7. Ngayon, tingnan naman natin ang pool. The swimming pool is definitely the centerpiece of the outdoor facilities of Nuwa. It is designed with a free-form shape to give it a tropical garden oasis feel. It is surrounded by plants, providing lush colors, texture, and year-round foliage. And its look has been elevated further through creative tiling, using different shapes, colors, and patterns. This well-designed pool will be any family's favorite hangout spot in the hotel. And it's sure to invite you to dive in and float the day away. The pool is open daily from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. For a luxury hotel, they advertise they don't have lifeguards on duty, but I did see lifeguards stationed by the poolside. Integrated into the pool are these cabanas. Adding these makes the place feel like a swanky pool club. To get the best of your staycation, you can even book the cabana for your spa treatments. This makes the entire Nuwa pool a sanctuary, offering a retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. Trivia time! Ang pangalang Nuwa ay hango sa pangalan ng mother goddess ng Chinese myth na siyang gumawa sa mga tao. This name hopes to embody the hotel's pursuit of the very best in sophistication and quality. Now, let's check out the dining options in the property. With 3 restaurants in the hotel and many more within the resort complex, dining is one of the strongest suits of City of Dreams. First of which is Breezes, the contemporary poolside restaurant and bar of Nuwa. Sa food strip ng resort complex, nariyan ang Red Ginger, a Tatler Dining recognized Southeast Asian restaurant. Then there's the popular Cafe Mary Grace, offering goodness of home meals and pastries. Up next is Jing Ting, a casual restaurant specializing in northern Chinese cuisine. Katabi nito ay Wolfgang's, rated as one of the best steakhouses in New York. Makikita rin ang Modern Table 082, sports bar na nag-offer ng American at Korean food. Sa gitna ay ang Rossi Pizza, isang contemporary Italian restaurant. And there's Hidimasa, a casual Japanese place with a show kitchen. From all these options, our favorite is Halia, which serves modern Filipino cuisine. Halia showcases elegant interiors adorned with murals inspired by the vibrant colors of Filipino festivals and food. The look is complemented with high ceiling, opulent seats, and marble tables. For the food, you can expect familiar fares that are taken up a notch with creative twists and use of great quality ingredients. The shops at the boulevard is the retail row of City of Dreams. This is home to some of the world's most sought-after brands. With its expansive 6,000 square meter space, a stay at Nuwa will give any discerning shopper easy access to an exclusive retail therapy experience. Luxury locators include Bali, Boss, Coach, Furla, Luk Fook Jewelry, Pandora, and Tempus. Other shops include Beyond the Box, Cultura, Lacoste, Owndays, and iSociety. For family entertainment, there's Dream Play. DreamPlay is the world's first DreamWorks-inspired theme park. This 5,000 square meter creative play center features attractions and fun-filled experiences with the characters of DreamWorks' world-famous films such as Shrek, Kung Fu Panda, Madagascar, and How to Train Your Dragon. And when playtime ends, you can drop by the DreamPlay shop to discover a large collection of DreamWorks memorabilia and merchandise. Shop for collectibles for yourself and gifts for family and friends, from toys, souvenirs, accessories, and apparel. So we're almost at the end of the video. How did NUA Manila fare? We are giving it a score of 9. Its facilities and amenities are undeniably top-notch. However, service still has room for improvement as it felt ordinary for a Forbes 5-star property. And for its price point, you'd hope for more inclusions such as complimentary breakfast and the likes. Nevertheless, our staycation at NUA Manila is still one of our better rated hotel experiences in and outside of the Philippines. So thank you so much for watching and for your support as we continue to explore the world one trip at a time.